Previously on True North Okanagan.
Took to come in.
Avalanche area, no stopping. Oh yeah, no, there's no way.
No way.
Nobody's gone through this. You can see where they got to. And like nearly went over the edge.
What the fuck? How did we get stuck here? What are we stuck in?
Oh. Snow.
Okay, so yeah.
Like if I get out, I'm disappearing.
Okay, well,
Track boards?
yeah, we could try the track boards or just go straight to Winch.
Where's the tree saver?
We got it. I just don't want to play around with traction boards. I know that the Winch will get us out.
I really don't want to get out.
Oh shit, that is deep snow. So we're gonna make a video out of this. We're gonna winch out. I think we're gonna winch, pull ourselves that way, maybe to that tree right there, if we can actually get to it, or that one up ahead. And we'll show you our gear. All the gear that we use. You good in there?
Yeah. I could crawl out that way if you need me.
Be a good idea so someone can film. Okay guys, well you get to see the recovery part of it. Well, the Jeep's so low that I'm hitting the roof. Like, I have to duck down.
Can you come hold the door open?
Like the camera does not do this justice how deep we're in.
Like the fuck? My butt.
This is so unflattering.
It's literally like up to my footrest
Like,
on the other
go
side.
to the back of the Jeep.
Oh my god. What the fuck? We had all this road.
I know. We hit something and just slid in. Look, you can just
like holy moly.
take a step. No.
Oh my god, look at the wheel.
I know.
Oh.
ARB recovery bag.
What do we got?
Our soft shackle. And where's our tree saver? Right, and our tree saver.
Yeah, I would think that tree up there.
Yeah.
Or
I was just thinking that one right there too.
yeah, because we just need to get out of this ditch, right?
Yeah.
So that's probably the better one.
And yeah, hook the tree saver around the tree, soft shackle it, and then hook the winch up to it, and we'll pull ourselves out. Pretty simple.
Yeah, don't speak too soon. We thought we were home sailing.
It just depends. I just farted so many times. Evacuate the bowel.
Oh my god.
You just have to pull.
Careful.
The heaviest thing in the woods is crawling through the snow. Oh, wow. Okay, tree saver on. soft shackle next.
We just thought we were trying to get to a lookout.
You thought wrong. And then we're gonna winch off this.
Perfect.
Oh! Do it for the gram. Oh. Okay, so winch controller. We have a Warn 10S. I think it's the Evo winch. It's right there. Cascadia 4x4 license plate bracket so we can winch from it. And it all just connects from here. There it is. There's the plug. And then if you get close, we're gonna go free spool. And that way, you just have to tug it. There we go.
Hi-ho, hi-ho, it's off to work we go.
I didn't think we wanted to do this as a career.
Oh! She deep.
Okay. Now, before the next person corrects us, we do not have a winch dampener. So
What's that?
it's in case the rope snaps, it kind of drops the tension.
I'm gonna move up there because I don't want to get whipped should things go sideways.
Nice because you have enough line to actually sit in the cab and do it.
Yeah.
And now we just engage it. Are you ready?
Yep. We'll actually have to disconnect there, but That's fine.
now we're back on the road. Sounds pretty good.
That was good. Let's go take a look at this nonsense. Oh my goodness. Like, here, I'm gonna go stand in that. Like, well, it's still recording. Like, watch. Like, this is what we thought was solid ground. But, oh. Like,
It's knee high, eh?
yeah.
Or waist.
My waist is here. How tall do you think I am?
I swear, I know anatomy.
I'm a medical professional.
We'll just be safe getting out.
Yeah.
So unfortunately, guys, the rest of our footage off our SD card is not usable as the card was malfunctioning. So instead, you get to see me struggle and get winded by pulling the winch cable up this hill.
Please feel free to like, share, subscribe, and comment down below.
So thanks for watching our video. Until next time, see you guys on the trails.